In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter sale of rental property in TurboTax Online. We'll walk through the path to get into the rental property section so you can continue entering the sale information in the correct area of TurboTax. This is especially important because rental property sales are typically handled inside the rental and royalty section, not just as a regular investment sale. To get started, sign in to TurboTax Online and go to your main tax return screen. From there, move your cursor over the Income tab near the top of the page. Hovering here will open the income-related options and help you get to the right summary page. Next, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page brings together the major income categories in your return, and it's the easiest place to search for the rental section if you don't want to scroll through everything manually. Once you're on that page, use the search field and type in rental. This helps narrow the list and quickly brings up the section you need, which can save time if your return includes a lot of different forms and income sources. After that, click on Rentals, Royalties, and Farm. This is the category where TurboTax groups rental property activity, including income, expenses, and any sale-related details connected to that property. On the next screen, look for Rental Properties and Royalties and click Start. If you've already entered rental activity before, this button may appear differently, such as Edit or Revisit, but the idea is the same. You want to open the rental property section tied to your return. When TurboTax asks the next question, click Yes. This confirms that you do have rental property information to enter, and it allows the program to move you forward into the interview process. At this point, you may see a message letting you know that you need to be on a qualifying plan to continue. If that happens, that's expected. TurboTax often requires an upgraded version for rental property reporting because this section includes more advanced tax treatment, including depreciation, expenses, and property sales. So the key takeaway is that the sale of a rental property starts by navigating into the rental property area through income, then wages and income summary, then rentals, royalties, and farm. If you hit the upgrade screen, you'll need to complete that requirement before moving on. That's it for this walkthrough. Following this path will get you to the correct section to begin entering your rental property sale in TurboTax Online.